Reading is spiking. This floorboard is completely rotten right here. Keep it steady. Okay, that's secure. Good. Bag is full. Watch your step. Right. See if you can get that next section hooked. All right, come on. Just a little. Whoa. That's a live wire. The mechanism is completely seized. Oh, looks like the rollers have rusted through. Yeah, it's not going to move without stripping it down. All right, testing this one. Yeah, give it a good shake. Feels loose. Fire damage extensive, checking structural integrity notes. Right, windows and ceiling compromised. Documenting findings now. Keep it steady. Looks like it's holding. The tiles here are completely compromised. We'll need a full replacement. All right, careful now. Yep, easy does it. That looks bad. More rust than wood. Keep your weight set. Slowly sit.
Careful now.
Just one more. All right, hold it steady. It's coming loose, pull hard. We've got it, tie it down. Lower the hook slowly. Roger, lowering now. Stop, move it slightly right. Copy that. Okay, hook's ready, good to go. Mind your step here. Got it, watch out for that edge. Tighten it up. Got it, watch your fingers, clear. Now the other side. Keep it steady, watch your stern. Almost clear, looking good so far. Keep it steady. Look at the corrosion on the starboard side. Do we have enough clearance there? Copy, holding steady. Keep it steady, left a bit. Lower, slowly, stop. All right, it's down, good job. Keep it tight. Holding it. Solid. All clear. Get it low. Affirmative. Moving forward. right, let's take a look. Looks like a big job. Yeah, quite a project. Where should we start? Hold, hold, lowering the cables. Oh, watch the stern, keep it level. Cables are down, guide them in. Keep it steady, down a little. Oh. Mark, you got the aft stand? Tighten it. Looks good, cable's loose. All right, hold it steady. Okay, let's take it out slowly. Moving away now. All right, push it up. Higher, just a little bit. Lock it in, tight. Got it. Perfect. Keep it steady. Move down a bit. Watch the line. Hit it again, harder this time. Got it, stands clear. Look out below, it's gonna give. It's loose now, good work. All right, slowly now. Easy, easy, watch that edge. Perfect. Give it a good push. In, solid. देखिए बहुत कंगेरिंग गंदगी मती है. Keep leveraging it. Got my grip. Push harder. It's cracking now. Almost free. Mind the broken wood there. Heavy. Watch your step. Let's get this floorboard up. I'll clean up the dust here. Keep it steady. A little left. Stop. Perfect. Lights are on. Tightening this last one. Let's get the mattress. Needs to be perfectly centered, just a little to the right. Perfect. Ready for final check? Keep it steady. Almost in. Hand me the drill. Got it. Tighten this. Okay, secure. All right, press it in.
Okay, is that seated?
Yeah, looks good.
I've got the top stabilized. Securing the bottom hinge now.